Welcome to day 5, 10 for 10 beginners yoga. 10 minutes for 10 days. You're halfway there to climbing up the mountain. Well done. Today's class is all about habits. Ryun said, motivation is what gets you started. Habits, it's what gets you there. Vinyasa means flowing between posture and posture. We stand at the front of our yoga mats, feet touching, palms in Tadasana, chest tall, eyes wide open. Bring your awareness to the breath. Let's begin. Habits. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, float the hands or fold the hands to the side and low. This is a swan dive. Hands on the knees. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, plant the hands, step the feet back to plank. Connect the heels, lower the knees, lower the chest, chaturanga. Point the toes behind you, energize the glutes. Inhale, cobra, lengthen chest forward and up. Exhale into downward facing dog. Hook the toes, lift it up. Remember the triangle. 1, 2, 3 points. Keeping it nice and high, deep in the breath. We're going to connect the heels together as one. We're going to lift the right leg off the mat, keep it up high to the sky, and then we swing it and step it forward. You bring it low. If you need assistance with your hand, bring the foot forward. Lower the left knee down, point the toes. Inhale, low lunge, Anjanayasana. Stacking the knees here above the other or above the ankle. Chest is tall. Exhale, we fold forward. We straighten the right foot for half splits. Hands are on either side to assist you. If you find yourselves rounding too much to compensate for this, bring it a little bit higher or more back. The chest is tall. If you cannot make contact with the ground, that's perfectly fine. You can just rest the hands onto the knee and push forward with the belly. Excellent. We bend the right knee once again. Plant the hands onto the mat and guide the right foot back. Heels touching, knees touching. Drop the chest for chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. This is a little bit higher than cobra. Buttocks are firm. Exhale, downward facing dog. Heels touching, left leg up. Swing it, step it, guide it to the front. Right knee down, foot releases. Inhale into low lunge. Exhale for half splits. Left leg straight, flex the foot. Option 1, keep the spine long, hands on the knees. If you can lower without rounding the shoulders, hands to the ground. Breathe space into the areas you feel the most tight. Perfect. Bend the knee, step the feet back, knees touching, heels touching. Drop down to chaturanga. Let's build that habit. Inhale, firm glutes, tall chest forward and up, ears away from shoulders. Exhale, downward facing dog. Feet together, lift the right leg, swing it, step it to the front, guide it with your hand if you need to. Lower the left knee. Anjanayasana, building up on our vinyasa. Inhale. Half split exhale like we did earlier. And now bend the right knee once again. Left hand goes to the ground right next to the front foot. Open the chest sideways and float the right hand to the sky for a nice twist. Lower the right foot down, step, feet back, knees together, lower the chest to chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog if you can get it high. We want the pelvis to be on the ground, the buttocks firm to protect our lower back. Avoid being up here. This puts too much tension on your back. Pelvis is low, elbows bent, Reach forward with the chest. Bring it into down dog. Feet together. Left leg up. Swing it, step it to the front. Let's add our flow. The right knee goes down. Climb it up into Anjanayasana with the hands up as you inhale. Exhale, fold, half splits. Chest tall, long spine. And let's add our twist. Bend the left knee, right hand on the ground, left hand to the sky. Release the left hand down. Let's guide both feet back, knees on the mat, heels release under, the toes under. Let's come and sit on our heels and go for child's pose. The hands gently fall forward, drop the head downwards. In this posture, we want to soak in all the movement we just performed. Feel the rush of energy move and dance around the body. Slowing down the breath. We're going to lift up the head. Let's climb up onto our knees in tabletop just for a second. And we're going to rotate the body to lay out in Shavasana. We are here creating habits. In life, we have good habits, we have bad habits. We choose the ones that bring us in alignment with our purpose, with health, both physical and mental, and emotional actually. Lay flat here in stillness. Lay flat here in silence. Release. Return the awareness back to the breath. Invite movement, pulsating the hands open and closed. Move the toes, the feet. Returning to life, lift the hands over the head, lengthen, awaken. And let's close it off by laying over to the side, embryo, knees bent, the head rests on the hands. Blink the eyes open, plant the hands in front of your face, and let's rise it up into a cross-legged, seated position. We are halfway there, up that mountain, the mountain that you have in your own life. Might be anxiety, might be life change, you might be breaking up a bad habit. I'm really excited that you moved along this journey. You are halfway there, up the steps, up the ladder. In the description below, you'll find the ebook called Symphony of Well-Being. This book will help you and accompany you along the journey of this program, 10 for 10 Beginners Yoga. If you like this journey so far, please subscribe to the Digital Shala. This will help me create more videos like this to assist you, to assist me. It's all energy, love and light. Thank you for joining me. Have a beautiful, bright, sun-shining day. Habits. Namaste.